had a great dinner. It was really nice meeting her. I got to know so many things about her.
Date with Daniel was grabe. Super nakakakilig. Ang saya-saya. First time ko pa na kumain nung solo meal and ayun, siya pa yung kasama ko. It was very memorable.
Well, kanina with Ira, we had pork tonkatsu and shrimp tempura. So she loved it. And the dessert, coffee dessert, she also liked it a lot. So I'm very happy that it's successful and she's very happy.
Daniel, this poem is for you, a token for September 2. Us together, a dream come true. Nice to have finally met you. And I thank Tokyo Tokyo for giving and opening the door.
It's the start of a new friendship. Ang saya na an artist like him tapos ipa-follow niya daw sa Twitter. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, it was really my pleasure to meet Ira, and I'm really happy that I got to know her better.
Sa Tokyo Tokyo, domo arigato gozaimasu. Sobrang grabe. Ang saya-saya ditong feeling na to.